Fun places to visit in Alaska on a budget there, fellow travelers. Today, we're going to explore some fun places to visit in Alaska on a budget. First up, let's head to the Anchorage Museum, where you can enjoy a fascinating collection of art and history for just $10. Then, take a stroll through the beautiful Tony Knowles Coastal Trail, where you can enjoy breathtaking views for free. For a taste of the wild, head to the Alaska Zoo, where you can meet the local wildlife for a small admission fee. And if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at the Alaska Railroad, which offers scenic rides for around $100. So there you have it, folks. Fun places to visit in Alaska on a budget. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for joining us, and happy travels.